So this is invisible text wrap. This is when you want to create a flow for your text that's not obvious, but helps to, without using soft returns or making a big mess out of your type by putting in a lot of extra spacing and stuff. This is how you could do it. It's called invisible text wrap. So I, let's say, want to have some shape on this text that kind of feels more like a wave, and maybe I even have some kind of a background photo where I want to reveal some of that shape. So using the pen tool, I'm going to make sure I'm on a layer here that is not images or type, but I'm creating, by clicking away first, a new layer, and this is Invisi Text Wrap. And with that layer selected, I'm going to take the pen tool, and initially I'm just going to click and drag and click and drag and click and drag and click and drag. And then I'm just going to close the shape somewhere outside the edge. Boom. Now, the shape could have a color. It would look like that. And if I told it using the text wrap tool here, the one in the middle, wrap around object shape, it would make my text do this nice wavy situation. But this magenta shape is not part of my design. I simply tell it to have no fill. And then my type has some nice flow to it. And if I have like some circles or some kind of other element, then I might want to put here images of vintage bird etchings. They will have a nice spot. Yes, this is going on in my mind. No, but I'm seeing like owls rendered by 3-year-olds. Okay, so that's invisible text wrap. I like that a lot. And you can use that not just, for an edge. You could do other shapes that are more obvious, like here's the ellipse tool. And again, I'm in InDesign, just making sure you know. All right, so here I just drew something I didn't mean to draw, and here I'll draw an ellipse, right? And then I'll give it a color. Just okay, that seems like a helpful thing. I'll put that there. I'll tell it to be text wrap, and then I'll tell it to have no fill, no stroke. And then I might put a vintage etching of a teapot there. So that's a short one, but it's a helpful one. Okay. I can't stop the movie here. Yeah, I can.